Hi guys, so this is a, let me get better light. Where's my light? Where's my light? Take you just all around my kitchen. Is the light better over here? Yeah, okay. Hi, this is a VR to Heather at the Kneady Homesteader. She did a video yesterday on to sort or not to sort the laundry and wanted to know what everyone else did. And mine is kind of twofold. So, before kids, super anal about laundry. I mean, the whites did whites, and you had your detergent for that, and your darks all went together, and towels were separate. I had laundry baskets for everything, so on and so forth, and no one could touch the laundry. Well, fast forward a few years and 3 kids later, and now, I don't care. As long as the laundry is done, that is all I care about. I make my own detergent now, and that is the only detergent that I use. So that takes care of, you know, having a bunch of different things. So I have one detergent for everything, and it actually is detergent that I can use with cloth diapers as well. I will say that. When I did cloth diapers, when my twins were little, up until about 9-10 months old, that was separate. And that was because I did hot, warm, and cold rinse. So those I did on their own. Everything else, it's done in cold water. It's done on the shortest cycle. And it's done in the same detergent. And I do not distinguish the different types of laundry. Whites go in with the darks, goes in with the towels, goes in with the rugs. Everything just gets thrown in. And when the washer is full, I turn it on. That's how it works. Because I do laundry every day because I like to keep up with it. If I don't keep up with it, then I'm swimming in laundry because we're a family of 5. And I have a husband that does plumbing, so he has dirty laundry every day. And then I have babies, and so I have dirty laundry every day. So I'm doing it every day. And if I skip a day, then I have a mound. You know, there's hot. Yes. Well, come here. Woo! Come on. Ugh. So I have a mound super high, and I don't like to do that. I mean, it happens. Life happens, but I try to stay on top of it. Now, does that mean that I fold it the same day that I wash it? No. I will keep up with the laundry, as in I always have my laundry clean. But as far as folding the laundry, now that is a different story, because with 2 babies that love to, quote, help, it becomes very tedious work trying to keep the folded laundry folded while trying to fold the rest of the unfolded laundry. So that is how I do it. I don't even have a laundry basket anymore, if that tells you anything. I will have the washer open, and people will put their dirty clothes. I will put my dirty clothes in the washer. Everyone else will put their dirty clothes beside the washer, and then I put the dirty clothes in the washer. And then when it's full, I start it. And of course, if there's extra, then it goes beside the washer until that load's done. So that is how I do it. So to answer the question, nowadays, I do not sort my laundry at all. I do not use special detergent. I make my own, which actually I need to make more, so I will bring you guys along for my recipe. And yeah, so that is my video response to sort or not to sort. For as OCD as I am about having things a certain way and doing things a certain way, laundry just, I can't stress about laundry. There are too many things in the day to stress about. to stress about laundry. So it all gets clean, and that's all I care about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.